The 4DRC new V33 Mini Drone is a fantastic entry-level quadcopter designed to make aerial photography and flight accessible and fun for everyone. This drone strikes a balance between a compact, durable design and advanced features like an 8K HD camera and a complete 360 degrees protection system. It's an ideal choice for new pilots, especially kids and beginners, who want to learn how to fly and capture stunning visuals without a steep learning curve. Key features and performance highlights. High-resolution 8K camera options. The V33 comes with several camera options, including a powerful 8K HD wide-angle camera. This allows for the capture of surprisingly detailed pictures and videos from the sky. The camera's wide-angle lens ensures you can fit more into your frame, making it perfect for capturing sweeping landscapes or group shots. 360 degrees protection and altitude hold. Safety is a top priority with the V33. Its standout feature is the 360 degrees protection, which provides a physical guard around the propellers, making it durable and less prone to damage from bumps and collisions. The drone also includes an altitude hold mode, which maintains a stable flight height, simplifying control and allowing beginners to focus on steering and photography. User-friendly flight controls. The V33 is designed for ease of use. The one-button back function allows you to easily find your way home, and the headless mode simplifies flying by eliminating the need to adjust the aircraft's position. This makes it a great gift toy for beginners who are still learning to orient themselves during flight. Seamless Wi-Fi FPV and app control. With its Wi-Fi FPV function, you can connect the drone to a smartphone app to see real-time video from the camera. The app also allows you to draw a flight path on the screen, and the drone will fly autonomously along the specified route, adding an extra layer of fun and control. Long flight time and decent range. The drone is powered by a 3.7V 1200 mAh LiPo battery, which provides a solid flight time of 15 to 18 minutes. This is a generous duration for a mini drone, giving you plenty of time to fly and capture content. The remote control has a range of 100 to 150 m, and the 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology ensures a stable connection. Fun and exciting stunts. In addition to its practical features, the V33 is also great for fun. Its 4-channel controls allow for ascent, descent, forward, backward, left and right flight, and a 360 degrees roll function. The 6-axis gyroscope ensures a smooth and stable flight, making these stunts even more spectacular. In summary, the new V33 Mini Drone is an excellent choice for a beginner's quadcopter, offering a fantastic balance of advanced features and user-friendly design. Its impressive 8K camera and durable 360 degrees protection make it a great tool for learning aerial photography, while its fun controls and LED lights make it a joy to fly. With a solid flight time and seamless app integration, the V33 is the perfect gift for anyone looking to get started in the world of drones. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, tips, and tutorials.